My body is a temple. It just happens to be made of cheeseburgers. I'm sure by now you've figured out what time it is. It's dinner time.
Good evening. It's dinner time. This video is from my favorite YouTuber, Jace. I'd like to give a shout out once again to Anthony A and Cynthia M. It was very good having you guys, and I hope you're having fun without me. It's pretty cool. I already got Carlos M on that show, Devs. I'm not sure how many episodes he's in on it, but he said he's hooked, and I agree. It's dang good, and I don't know where they can go from the end of the season. Spoiler, but I want more. No boom time, but there is one birthday that I'm aware of. I think up in Washington State, Jackson P. turning 19 today. Big boy, nephew, happy birthday. Boom. Title for this video tonight is fridge cleaning. We accumulated quite a bit of leftovers over the last week, and just gonna do my part on making sure they don't go to waste. It's two Korean style barbecue chicken wings from Roosters laying on a bed of chicken bacon fried rice. Uh, Tea for sip. Boom. Everything's spot on. That rice is really nice. Nice rice. The chicken wings are flavorful and meaty. Tea is sweet. Sweet tea. It was kind of rough getting back to work this morning. You know, didn't want to wake up at 4:30, and I definitely didn't want to say goodbye to my company. But it's amazing how much better a 10-hour day is than a 12-hour day. I actually got to take a nap after work, do some laundry before dinner and everything. It's the way it should be, or less than 10 hours as well. I'm all down. I'm good with a 4-hour day. It'd be nice. Finger licking good. I'm gonna have to search online later for another international snack crate to continue on my Livy A International Snack Taste Test of the Day segment. It's not going down tonight, but I'll get back at it here shortly. Killed two birds with one stone there. Made some room in my fridge and had a delicious meal at the same time. Multitasking. That was some good dinner. But dinner time is over. Peace.
现在是万看新人烦恼，我喜欢。